Egusi soup is a popular soup in Nigeria. It is enjoyed by every region of the country. I'll be showing you 6 methods of preparing egusi soup. Today's method is the tomato frying method, which has a very distinct and unique flavor. Each method I'll be showing you has its own unique texture, flavor, and taste. Please stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Welcome to Dioma Kitchen, where delicious creations begin. To prepare this delicious soup, we'll start by adding the stockfish, the beef, onions, seasoning cubes, and salt. Allow it to cook for about 15 minutes. You can use any protein of your choice. After cooking for 15 minutes, add the crayfish and the cow skin, which is Kpomo. Allow to cook for another 10 minutes, then keep aside to be used later. It's time to fry our tomato. The tomato, I prepared it by, after washing, blending with pepper, you boil it and allow it to dry so that it will give you that sweet flavor and natural taste. So for the red oil, don't allow it to get too hot so that it will not bleach. So once it melts, pour in the onions, then allow it to fry for a while so the onions can release its flavor in the oil. Then you now add the tomato, which you've already prepared. You can also use tomato paste if you can't get fresh tomato. So the tomato is already prepared with pepper, so it's already hot. So the tomato, you allow it to fry very well. Fry it very well so that it will be dry but not too dry, and always turn at intervals so that the tomato will not burn and stick to the bottom of the pot. After it has fried well, you now pour in the egusi. Yes, well blended egusi. Make sure that your egusi is well blended. Then you stir. Keep stirring it. Don't give a break, because any second you leave, it will keep burning and sticking to the pot. So you need to stir and stir and stir. As you're stirring, if there's anyone sticking to the bottom of the pot, you scrape it as much as you can. After you fried it for a while, let's say about a minute or 2, you now pour in the stock. Don't pour in the stock completely, just pour part of the stock water. Pour in part of the stock water, then turn it very well. Let all the egusi mix inside the soup so that there won't be any form of lump. If you pour all your stock with the protein and everything inside, you won't get that smooth feeling. So that's why you have to pour in half of your stock inside, mix it, and get that smooth feeling. Then you pour the remaining stock, turn. I used smoked fish to prepare the soup, and that's why I did not put it from the beginning, because smoked fish is soft. I don't want it to scatter. So you put it now, then turn in the remaining of your protein and stock. Turn and allow to cook. This method of egusi soup has a very unique flavor. I'm sure if you try preparing it, you will love it. That tomato taste, the frying, everything just brought in one wonderful aroma and sweetness. So after boiling for about 3 minutes, you turn. Please always turn at intervals so that the egusi will not burn. It's very important. So allow it to be cooking maybe at intervals. You can be checking every minute to 2 minutes until you see that the egusi has finally come together and it's a bit thick. So you can now put your vegetable. I used ugu leaves to prepare this soup. You can use any vegetable of your choice. So when you put the vegetable, you cover and steam for another minute. Egusi soup. Oh. This egusi soup go which university? Don't worry, we'll think of the university the soup went to, but man, maybe went to University of Pluto. not any university in this one, because man, this soup is superb. That is what I'm going to qualify this soup with. Please don't go anywhere. This is just part 1. There's 5 more parts coming. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Try this method as other methods are coming, and when you finish trying all the methods, then you tell me the method you love the most. I will enjoy this soup better eba. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.